Hey, John Golitz here with a video on how to export your contacts from your phone, from your iPhone, to an Excel spreadsheet on your Google Drive. This one actually turned out to be so easy that I was amazed. I used this app called Export Contact, and it is on, you can find it right on your, if you have an iPhone, you can just go right to your Apple Store and search for Export Contact, and you'll want to get the Export Contact as shown here on the screen. It was really easy. I did it, just no problems at all. So go to your Apple Apps Store, search on Export Contact. It looks just like this. You upload it. It actually took me longer to sign on to my Apple Store than it was in my Apple account than it was to actually back it up. You should also have, since we're ultimately wanting to do this to your Google Drive, you'll also want to have Google Drive installed on your phone as an app. If you do that and you have the Google Drive connected to your account on your phone, it really is extremely easy, and you're going to want to do this anyway. You're going to want to have your Google Drive on your phone as well. So this kind of kills two birds with one stone. So you launch the app. It says, would you like to access your contacts? Say yes. Then you'll want to have, you can either do a CSV or an Excel file. It doesn't matter either way which one you do. I did the CSV. Then you just tap on export and choose the file location. For me, I did the Google Drive and saved it right into my Google Drive. It doesn't matter where on your Google Drive you put it, because you can always move it around once you get it there. But it also will save to Dropbox, or I think you can even email it to yourself, and then save it into your computer or into Google Drive. So any one of those three, it will automatically just send you an Excel spreadsheet. So I'll just show you. It landed to my Google Drive as this contacts folder, and then here it is. So again, you got first name, last name, the company, mobile, work, and then way over here is the email. So what I'll do is I'll just end up deleting all these headers in there that I'm not using and condense this spreadsheet down to first name, last name, email, and phone number, and then I will upload it into my CRM spreadsheet. But there you go. This is a great solution for backing up your phone and getting your contacts off of your phone and onto your client relationship manager list. And it's Export Contacts, and find it at your Apple Store, and good luck with that.